Our solar system is 4.6 billion years old. Life could have emerged on several of its worlds, aside from Earth. Don't you think so?
Jupiter's moon Europa seems to be the most likely to host it today. Early Venus and Mars probably had abundant liquid water, the essential elixir for life as we know it. But one became a hot hell and the other a frozen globe. Saturn's moon, Enceladus, also has a substantial reservoir of liquid water, but the United States scientific community, in its most recent decadal survey, prioritized studying Europa, which is near Earth. Europa's ocean, with perhaps twice the water of Earth's ocean, is believed to have been liquid since the moon's formation. On Europa, life might have had the time to evolve.
Scientists believe that Europa's ocean lies directly on top of a seizable rocky world, putting water in contact with other elements and minerals essential for life. As the moon orbits Jupiter, tidal flexing heats the planet within, keeping the vast oceans liquid and likely powering volcanic activities. Rich ecosystem exists on a floor of our own planet, where volcanic rifts create hydrothermal vents, so same must be true for Europa.
We have sent our probes to Europa before. During its mission to Jupiter in the late 1990s, NASA's Galileo spacecraft observed the moon, all but confirming that Europa harbored a 100-kilometer deep ocean covered by a relatively thin, icy shell. Tidal forces regularly break the ice, allowing the water from the depths to the well onto the surface, leaving stains that provide evidence of the ocean's chemistry. Observations by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2012 suggest that water plumes periodically erupt from Europa's surface. If such plumes are present, a spacecraft could sample the chemistry of this potentially life-bearing ocean by flying through them.
Galileo's vintage instrument could not determine what exactly stains Europa's surface or just how thick its icy crust may be. This is crucial for learning Europa's habitability. NASA crashed Galileo in 2003, and ever since scientists and group of Planetary Society have been urging NASA to send a follow-up mission. NASA proposed Europa's Clipper mission could do the job. It would orbit Jupiter and not Europa, and would dip into planet's intense radiation belt 45 times to fly just above the moon's surface, retreating each time to a safer location to transmit its data home. The Clipper could characterize Europa's ocean, explore its chemistry and study its geological processes. It would also scout the location for future mission to land.
President Barack Obama officially endorsed a mission. This nascent plan, though, comes without a firm launch date or target cost. The Clipper mission would cost approximately $2 billion, but the White House is proposing just $185 million to fund the first 4 years of developmental work. The White House and Congress should commit funding to move this mission towards launch as soon as possible. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and give